Okay, today I'm going to, okay, this is Ashwini. Okay, today I'm going to speak about education. Education plays a very important role in each and every different kinds of fields. So, for example, it may be in a doctor, engineer, architect, or maybe in a lawyer, or maybe lawyer. Education plays a very important and different roles in the each and every fields. And the person get a good education, he will become a educated. So that person become a good educated, so he can lead his whole lifespan in a professional way, and he can earn more wealth, health, whatever it may be. And the education improve the person or an individual. It will improve the one person personality, and it will improve the confidence level of the one individual person. And education have a capacity to resolve our country problems like gender discrimination or maybe terrorism, something like that, etc. And as per the Nelson Mandela said, education is a powerful weapon. The education is a powerful weapon. It can, education is a powerful weapon. So it can resolve all the problems, and it can take our country to any other extent. Thank you.